There are many mysteries in this life that humans cannot fully discover. Volcanoes are one of those mysteries. Volcanic eruption is an extremely magnificent and dangerous natural phenomenon, so research on it is still very limited. Especially the close-up of the crater is of great interest and curiosity. Join us to discover the mysteries of the crater through today's close-up video. Close-up of the crater. A volcano is a fault in the crust of a planet such as Earth that allows lava, volcanic ash, and gas to escape from a magma furnace below the surface. In fact, volcanoes are a special version of rocky mountains because they have mouths and cores connected to the geology of the Earth's interior. In the world, Indonesia, Japan, and the United States are considered the three countries with the most active volcanoes, in descending order of activity. Because they are located on the Pacific Ring of Fire, a geological arc with many seismic and tectonic layers of the Earth's crust. Most of the active volcanoes in the world today are located on this belt. Volcanoes have rather complex structure, including three main components, including the crater is a place for lava eruptions, the lava tube carries lava, and the deepest is the lava tunnel, where magma is stored. So what's inside the crater? When they erupt, what's so special about them? With dormant or so-called extinct volcanoes, they are like normal rocky mountains because the magma crater has been exhausted and can no longer erupt. Besides that are dormant volcanoes. These are mountains that have stopped erupting for a few thousand years but are likely to continue erupting in the future. Research on them is quite difficult because their mouths were covered by concentrated lava. The active crater is perhaps the most mysterious and unique. It can be said that this is one of the extremely wonderful phenomena of nature. Access to volcanic craters is only accepted by scientists who are fully equipped with protective equipment because their temperatures are very high and there are many harmful gases. Today, thanks to the modern technology such as remote control cameras or drones, it is much easier to capture close-up pictures of the crater. It also helps us to feel the most authentic. Like in the video, we will see the boiling of magma solution in the volcano in Iceland. Exploding air bubbles and waves crashing against the cliffs sent them flying into the air in jets. The layer of smoke caused by lava burning the rock layer creates a blurry scene, flying high into the sky. You can imagine that as if we are cooking a pot of boiling water. The sound of magma boiling makes people tremble in fear, like a long rumbling, along with the terrible sound of the wind. The temperature at the crater can reach more than 200 degrees Celsius and the lava has a temperature of 700 to 1200 degrees Celsius. So access is not easy. Magma has a distinctive red color. They boil and make popping noises, clearly showing that they are burning layers of rock. On the surface of lava that has been solidified by exposure to the air, it will be black like on the screen. In the dark, we will easily see the red light emanating from the crater. The rock layer surrounding the crater is also the solidified lava layer from the previous eruptions. The crater, we will also feel the slight shaking of the ground. The boiling of magma has created those slight vibrations. Because the bottom of them is liquid and hasn't solidified yet, vibrations are natural. At the same time, lava is in liquid form, so they will also have low we will see them boiling inside the crater. It's easy to scare people. You might be wondering why lava can erupt, right? We can observe the crater of this Yasur volcano to better understand. The first step, we need to learn about magma. Magma contains many different elements and compounds, a large number of which are dissolved in molten rock. In fact, this amount of gas is retained in the magma because their pressure is smaller than that of the surrounding rock. When in high enough concentrations, compounds such as water or sulfur no longer dissolve but turn to a gaseous state, forming high-pressure gas bubbles. Like on the screen, we will see bubbles of lava erupting. When these bubbles reach the surface, they can explode with the force of a gunshot. And when millions of bubbles explode simultaneously, a tremendous amount of energy pushes all the magma out of the crater. Although today there are modern devices to help people see more clearly the close-up of the crater, there are still mysteries that scientists still have to study more. Thank you for watching all of our videos. Don't forget to press the subscribe button, click like, and follow our channel for the fastest updates on volcanic discoveries as well as other interesting natural phenomena.